welcome to the Staver Health YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of our standout products, the Super Colon Cleanse. This powerful formula is designed to support your body's natural detoxification processes, enhance immune function, and improve overall digestive health. Our 15-day Super Colon Cleanse is packed with a blend of natural ingredients including calcium, oat, alfalfa, psyllium husk, rhubarb, gentian, aloe vera, cascara sagrada, golden seal, buckthorn, bentonite, and lactobacillus acidophilus. Each of these components plays a crucial role in helping remove toxins from your body, promoting weight loss, boosting energy levels, assisting regular bowel movements, and enhancing nutrient absorption. Let's break down how this powerful blend works. Psyllium husk is a key fiber that aids in creating bulk and normalizing bowel movements. Cascara sagrada acts as a natural laxative, improving the ease of bowel movements. Aloe vera soothes and conditions the digestive tract. Probiotics like lactobacillus acidophilus help replenish beneficial gut flora, crucial for a healthy digestive system. How to take the 15-day Super Colon Cleanse. To achieve the best results from the Super Colon Cleanse, follow these simple steps. On days 1 through 15, take 1 to 2 capsules in the morning with your first meal and an 8-ounce glass of water. Repeat this in the evening with your last meal. Remember, 2 capsules twice a day is the maximum dosage. Tips for maximum effectiveness. To enhance the effectiveness of your Super Colon Cleanse, consider these tips. Stay hydrated. Aim to drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Eat fiber-rich foods. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens into your diet. Limit processed foods. Reduce or eliminate alcohol and processed foods. Get adequate sleep. Ensure you get between 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. As a side note, while the 15-day Super Colon Cleanse is gentle and effective, some users might experience increased bloating or stomach cramping at first. Staying hydrated can help minimize these effects. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier digestive system? Check out the link in the description below to learn more about our 15-day Super Colon Cleanse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips from the Staver Health YouTube channel. And we'd love to hear from you. If you've tried Super Colon Cleanse, share your experiences in the comments below. How has it helped you? Any tips for others starting their cleanse journey? Are you interested in learning about a healthy, natural immune booster? Check out the video you see here. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. See you in the next video.